3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're experiencing the frustrating 99% loading bug in Marvel Rivals on your PC, I've got a solution that worked for me, and it's really simple to try. Start by opening Steam and clicking on the Steam icon in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings and then find the Storage section. You'll likely see that Marvel Rivals is installed on secondary drives such as your E drive or D drive. To resolve the issue, you'll want to move the game to your primary drive, ideally your CDRS SSD, as it can improve the game's performance and loading times. Once you're in the storage settings, click on the game and choose the move option. Don't select install. This will allow you to transfer the game to the SSD, which could help with the loading bug. The transfer process may take a little while, so while it's happening, you can take a break. Once the game has successfully moved to your SSD, you can go back and launch Marvel Rivals again. Hopefully, you'll find that the 99% loading bug has been resolved, as it was for me. I can now load the game quickly and without any delays, making for a smoother experience when I play and stream. If this fix worked for you, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks related to Marvel Rivals. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.